Welcome guys, welcome to my Leetcode solving section. So this is very short video, because in this video we only use a simple way to solve. Okay, so determine whether integer is the palindrome. Okay, so there's a many palindrome question in the Leetcode. Okay, an integer is a palindrome when it reads the same backward as forward. So could you solve it without converting the integer to a string? This is the follow-up. So yeah, we will also follow up in the next question, in the next video. So in this video, we just use a stupid way, okay, but very easy. So 1 to 1 is true, minus 1 to 1 is not true, 10 is true, minus is false. Okay, so we just change it into string and reverse the string, and where they ask, they are the same. So this is the most efficient way and the straight way. Okay, I will see you guys in the other videos. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.